put on a show.
Where'd it go?
Whoa! That's nice, all too.
I know, she's out doing it.
It deflated? No, they just started. It deflated? Where's she going? Where are you going? Oh, that's amazing.
Where's she going? This is so romantic.
When she comes back and we give her my
I
shirt,
don't
she gets up behind her leather.
ask questions. She wanted to do it earlier.
I thought she did blow it up earlier. Whoa. She went in the cottage to blow it up. Like this. After we made the campfire, we didn't like to try and play some stuff.
Where?
Oh, we made the campfire after? Jackie, is that romantic? You want me to come sit between you? The owner and double of the people that make the fireworks.
Oh, yeah?
All the different noises in it.
So you can sit here.
No, I just want to sit down and not move. This is romantic. I just want to sit.
Frank?
Yeah?
Come sit in the seat while Joey's sitting there.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Wait a
Lighting
second, I'm
another
gonna
one.
check.
What?
Here, come on this chair, Joey.
Sprinkles? You like sprinkles?
Get the...
Sprinkles?
You can have the green one, huh?
What do you want? Get the glory.
Oh, they're like biting, they're going in my nose.
Wow, you're in charge?
I'm in charge of the boss, baby.
It's like my house.
Woo! More!
She's at the oh, I know, there's more.
Where's the bug spray?
In the tent. I'll get it after we watch these, if that's okay.
Yeah, no.
I'm good, thanks. I'm gonna go get some ketchup runs after, I think.
Ooh!
It's gonna scare away the
I
animals.
like the noise of those things. Oh, I have a bite in my feet now. Oh my god, there's too much fucking feet on.
I know.
I gotta get my running shoes on after I'm gonna be up all night. ones at Lac Lime, they start at the end of July or August?
End of July.
Do you go to those?
No, never been.
Oh, you've never been to that? You ever been to that?
Yeah.
Every Sunday and Wednesday they have different countries competing. Yeah, you went with me, you Momo. Me and Marissa and you went.
Never did.
We
never
parked
ended
the
up
Canadian